Hi everyone, I'm Amy. Today I'm making maple pecan party mix. This is a delicious sweet and salty snack that's easy to make. So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 250 degrees and in a large bowl add 4 cups of Rice Chex Cereal, 4 cups of Corn Chex Cereal, 1 cup of pecan halves, and 1 cup of mini pretzel twists. Stir this together and then set it aside. In a saucepan, add 3/4 cup of butter. Melt this over low to medium heat. Then add 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Stir this together until the sugar is dissolved. Then add 1 1/4 teaspoons of maple extract and stir it together. Now pour this over your cereal mixture. Stir it together until everything is coated. Pour the mixture out onto a baking sheet and spread it out evenly. Now bake this in the oven for 45 minutes, being sure to stir it every 15 minutes. Then remove it from the oven and spread it out onto foil to let it cool. And here it is, maple pecan party mix. Be sure to store this in an airtight container. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Hi everyone! It's a delicious sweet and salty sweet and snot. Sweet salty snack. Sweet salty snack.